because they previously filmed a video I did of this earlier today, September 2nd, 2014, showed up upside down an hour and a half after the upload began. I'm just going to point out just a few things here. So we've got 5 drawing areas: the budgie head here, the budgie here, the cat here, the cat here, and this in between Frankenstein like depiction of when the cat is in the transgenic transformative stage between being the Furball-Ejecting screechy creature to the beautiful Serene Melodious Budgie here. So that's there. Among the in my diagram, which was inspired by pages of diagrams from the letter from the Department of Commerce Patent Office, I've divided it into the before and after. The cat would be the beginning stage of the transgenic transformation. So among my writing here we have whines and claws, vicious, moody, knocks over soup pots, furball, screech, defective brain, question mark, leaves path of destruction in homes, prognosis, hopeless and incorrigible. And after the transgenic transformation is done, we have the cat then turned into the budgie, beauty, beak, feathers, affectionate, new disposition, serene. Prognosis is a suburb learner and loveable. There you have it. A rare and singularly unique work from my atelier.